Chappy to this. Shall I? Yeah? Let's go!
Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of ALbuilds, our new series. Since we're coming back on YouTube, we wanted the first episode to be something that's close to what we're all about, which would be body kits and bolt-on parts. But we wanted it to be special. So I don't think it could get more special than this, because this was a purpose-built body kit, custom, that we built for somebody special. Xerxes, who some of you may know as Afro Bawa, he's been a friend of ours for maybe 5-6 years when we built his first motorcycle. I mean the first motorcycle that we built together. So he had seen images of Chappy, which was a custom that we did on the KTM Duke. He really liked it and got in touch himself and asked us that if we were going to make it into a body kit, but we were not. Him being him, he's into superheroes, he's into a lot of these kind of things, which is his genre. So he really wanted his motorcycle to look like a character. Long story short, we built a Chappy for him. He wanted it to be different from the original, obviously. He wanted it to be a Joker theme. So he had that for about 5 years. It was a custom motorcycle, so bound to be a little difficult to live with on a daily basis. So he came back to us and said, let's get a change. I mean, he was considering getting a new motorcycle anyway.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
All of Xerxes' parts are now loaded in. We're getting it assembled at a friend's place where the painted parts are going to come together, and then we put the kit on it at the workshop. So the Duke Explorer kit was meant to be for people who had the old gen KTM. Instead of buying a Adventure 390, which basically was the same platform, at least engine and powertrain wise. So spending a little money, getting that whole adventure look out of it. So Xerxes wanted to take it up a level, so that's what we did. Chappy, that's what Xerxes' bike had on it. The Joker inspired Chappy, which it clearly isn't anymore. The bike just came back from definitive detailing where they helped us put the parts back together. So they just assembled everything back. What might look like a stock Duke setup is not. What's different? Come have a look. Adjusters. The Duke never came with adjusters, now did it. So that suspension setup is off of the 390 Adventure, the international spec model. We were lucky enough to get our hands on maybe 5 or 6 sets, of which we kept 2. Navinder Bichara kept it for his bike, but unfortunately project bike pe use ho gayi. So now we have to swap the rear suspension. I've got it in my car. I'm going to put the Adventure 390 suspension at the back as well, along with the front. So hopefully that should neutralize the overall height gain that we're going to have with the suspension change. It's the first time we're doing it, so a little unsure, but hopefully it all turns out great. So in terms of the colors, what we got from Xerxes was that he wanted it to be stealthy, not typically loud the way he's perceived, but he wanted that loud highlight. So we were going to go with neon or fluorescent highlights, but the base would be a matte black, so it has that stealthy but highlighted sort of look.
Yeah, Ay, coming in, yeah. Flex, I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2, 2, 3, 3, I'm on 10, 10, 10, yeah.
So now that you've had a look at the behind the scenes and how the motorcycle came together, let's push forward a bit to when Xerxes arrived.
How complete are we? Like, are we all there?
No, there's a couple of small things. First, have a look.
I already like what I see. That big front wheel is just jutting out.
Stands out, no?
It's just like, hi, I have grown. आप 17 छोड़ के गए थे, मैं 19 का बन गया अब.
Grown up child, just like the way we got the bike to look a little more mature also.
I mean, you guys saw, or have you not seen, see what Chappie looked like.
Of course.
This is Chappie's to this. Shall I?
Yeah?
Hey.
So, what do you think?
Hey. It's a new motorcycle.
9 years old, bro. 9 years old.
Yeah, it's a 2013 Duke 390, first generation to come to India. And now it's a KTM Explorer 390 and oof. The matte, everything looks nice and the neon is popping.
Does she look like she can go?
Does she go?
Wait till you ride it.
Did you try it? Like, how's the suspension setup and all? Like, I mean, with the whole change, because everything's changed. This change, this change, this change.
Try it, matlab, thoda bahut.
Thoda try kiya.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems.
I don't trust you. You have a dirt track. And you have riders who can ride.
The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon it.
Hi, good afternoon. We are at Autologue. I'm Xerxes, that's Mukul. This is his place. This is my bike.
Thanks. So he made my job easy. Thanks for the introduction.
That's the introduction. I'm Xerxes Wadia. I'm a VJ. I like riding motorcycles. I like doing funny shit with my motorcycles. I come to him for my funny shit. This is, dude, I had a Chappie.
That was funny shit.
Chappie, remember the purple motorcycle? It's over here somewhere right now. Imagine that. Right? Purple, green, 3 were made. One was a beta over here which got disassembled as soon as it was made. I took one, someone took another one in Bangalore.
Yeah.
And I rode that beta tested device for what? 5 years?
Which is not bad.
Which is not bad. I mean, things were falling apart slowly. The belly pan did fall apart a lot, but we found a fix.
So, like, what was your thought process? Like, when you got in touch with me, I told you I have 3 kits for the Duke.
You said you had the Street X2 and the Explorer.
Correct.
Now, first my thought was like, मेरे को Chappie को repaint करना है, let's go with it. But then I was like, नहीं यार, like, I wanted to buy an Adventure 390.
Right.
And I was like, 4 lakh for the same engine, but a tamer version of this engine does not make sense. So the point is that if you could make this engine into an Adventure 390, which we all waited for so long,
right.
That was the hope, and the Explorer kit feels like that. It started with just him saying that we have a body kit with fairing and all. I was like, must hai. Then suddenly we found adjustable front ADV suspensions, which even the stock ADVs don't come with. Yeah. So I was like, okay, wo bhi laga do, wo laga do. Then 19-inch wheel happened. So 17 went, 19 came. 19 aaya to off-road, on-road tires aa gaye. Then the rear suspension changed, then the rear tire changed. That is also an on and off-road. And now this is a full adventure motorcycle. Like, sorry KTM, you lost a customer in buying a new one, but these guys made sure with my old KTM I could make a new KTM. I mean, it kind of makes sense. I mean,
that is precisely what the thought process behind us doing Explorer kits was. Making adventure-ish, and you know, people who already have the Duke, instead of them buying the 390 Adventure, you might as well get more or less what that's capable of.
And I mean, this is it. We have used the rear suspension from the Adventure 390. We've used the wheel and the tires from the Adventure 390. I mean, the ride height automatically went up. And we found a way to mount my aux lights, because riding in India without aux lights in night doesn't make sense. It's just almost suicide.
One thing that you can get into is he's the only one who's got the prototype carbon fiber.
Oh yeah, I'm a
Speedo
beta
that we
tester.
had. Yeah, all the firsts happened with you.
And we survived. We've
Yeah.
come so far with it.
Yeah, man.
It looks so pretty. Please look at my motorcycle now. Like
Wow.
KTM, take some cues from this, please. This is how you, like, I don't know, satisfy existing customers.
Yeah.
Good job there.
Thanks, buddy.
Come to him. Come to him with your KTM. Something will happen.
Something will happen.
It's done. It's over. All touch-ups, everything done. I ride home on the Explorer 390. Let's go.
And with that comes to an end episode 1. I hope you liked what you saw. Let us know in the comments what you thought and what you would like to see in the episodes to come. It's not easy for us to manage this with work going on. We put a lot of Sundays in. Vikas got this nice setup done. So I hope you liked what you saw, and I'll see you in the next episode.